Hi guys, just a quick one. How to remove this EA code or error from Worcester boiler. Uh, Basically, it can be happen. First reason, the drain pipe. This one, the drain pipe can be frozen. So in my case, it look like this is frozen outside. It's all icy, and it can be what is called the low gas pressure. So you can check the pressure. Just turn on your cooker. So my gas pressure is fine. So what I'm gonna do, just take the water, boiling water, take the teapot or kettle, whatever you have, go outside, and you see this drain pipe going out, and it had it like this. Can you see that? All of it, like this all ice was in here. Can you see that? So it's all ice was, it was blocking this drain pipe. So what I do, I put a couple of pots of boiling water on that drain pipe, and it will probably clean the exhaust, drain pipe. So let's go and reset it. Now what I'm gonna do, just to reset, holding for a couple of seconds, 5 seconds, release it. When the temperature will show, and I will turn that off. Okay, and I'm gonna restart now. Hopefully this will resolve the problem. If the temperature will go up as well and the light show, so it's mean it is fine now. The center heating is fine. So it look like 18. Let's go 19. Come on. Yeah, the light is on. Can you see the light is on? This is the center heating water supply light. So the water is going into the system, and the temperature is increasing as well. Wow. There you go. Enjoy. Lovely. Yeah, so temperature is rising, and the center heating is working again now. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.